Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am doing a clown makeup tutorial, and this was from Poundland for £1. So first of all I'm going to put on the tattoo lips. I would suggest getting someone to help you out with the tattoo lips because I found it hard, so I asked my partner to do the tattoo. So first thing I'm going to do is put on some white makeup. So I'm going to try to find it. So yeah, so put some white makeup, just going all around the tattoo and your face to put some white, because a clown is very white, so I'm trying to make it as white as can be. So next I'm going to put some black under my lips so it smudges up with the tattoo, because you can see a bit of skin. So I'm going to put some black all over my lips and then fill in the gaps that you can see skin to make it a little bit more scarier. Literally getting it darker so you can just see the teeth and that, and it looks really scary. So yeah, I'm just gonna add some effects to the mouth. So yeah, so that looks a little bit more scarier. So just doing my lips and darkening them so you can't see them, and just filling in any empty spaces, because sometimes the tattoo did crumble a little bit so you could see a bit of my skin, so I'm gonna just cover it up with a bit of black to make it really creepy. So now I'm just creating a shape. So going down to my jaw, adding a bit more jaw effect, and making it a bit more darker. And do the same on the other side. Just make it more creepier. So now I've done the smile, I'm going to move on to do, well, I've added a bit more white, and then I'm going to move on to, I think, doing the eyes. So I'm just dabbing up any spaces that I don't want it overlapping. So yeah, just correcting my mistakes. So yeah, now I'm going to be moving on to the eyes. So drawing some shapes on the eyes, which later in the video I decide to get rid of because I'm just going along with it. I don't know really what clown look I was kind of going for, but something really scary I wanted to go for. So yeah, I'm doing the eyes now, and then going around my eyebrows and then filling that in. Then I'll do the same on the other side as well. Just making a dark effect, a very creepy one. So yeah, just going in the inner corner of my eyes now. And you will make a few mistakes on this, as you can see. I will end up correcting that on my nose that I just done. So then I correct it, so I can plan to put something on my nose to look like a little bit more like a clown. It's just making shapes. You can like keep this eye shape look. I think is actually really creepy now, but you can do all sorts of you can add these shapes in, or you can just have black eyes and then a dot on your nose. Really, it's really up to you, but it's kind of two choices you can have for a Halloween kind of look that'll make you look scary. So I'm just doing the same shape as I did the other one, making them a bit wider now. Kind of look like Catwoman now a bit. Scarier Catwoman. That could be a really good idea. If you want to look like this, like Catwoman, do that kind of shape. Scary kind of Catwoman clown. Anything goes with Halloween. I'll just draw in a nose. Clown nose. I think a bit of colour in that. Like a bit of blue. Just dabbing it on. So adding a bit more colour into the eyes, added a bit blue, add a bit more texture to my eyes, the colour. So in the end I decided to smudge it a bit. I think at that point I decided to change it. So get some white and smudge it in the things that we made so it looks a little bit more darker, a bit more scarier, and look more like a little bit of clown. I think that just gave it more effect to the makeup. And it gave that a bit more spookier look that you can have. So I'm going to finish off by just painting in the white little bits to make it more a clown look. So this is the finished look. So I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe down below. And yeah, I'll see you all next time. Thank you. Bye. Colouring in